True Protein is a health and wellness business, family founded and family owned still. The main products and offerings are protein powders, health and wellness products. It's all about helping people on their health journey. We run out of 3 warehouses and we're an omnichannel business, so both B2C and B2B. Before NetSuite, we were running basic accounting software, and a lot of our life was spent on spreadsheets and a lot of manual work done in the background to support those spreadsheets. So yeah, it was very analog. And when you've got disparate systems and fragmented data, people aren't able to rally around information in the right way because there's multiple sources of the truth. On the old system, it was taking us 10+ days to do our month-end close. That leads to a lot of morale reduction and lack of productivity from the team. That's not where you want to see your employees spending their time. We chose NetSuite to have a unified data set and ultimately collaborate around a common thread. That's the key thing for us, is having our people in one place at one time using the same information to do great work. Closing the books now has gone from a 10-day exercise to 2 days, which is fantastic. Frees up our guys to focus on the value add strategic insights that we expect from our finance team. NetSuite really for us as a manufacturer was to connect the front end with our operations. So everything from the warehouse floor right through to production. So the advanced manufacturing module was very appealing for us. We're using the NetSuite AI connector service, using the MCP server to plug into Claude, and that allows our teams to do all of their data querying in natural language via that platform. With the NetSuite AI connector service, we've been able to plug that into a lot of the operational data, looking at things like expiry dates, tracking and tracing orders, things that are happening in the warehouse around inventory movements between our warehouses. So lots of fantastic use cases. In the warehouse, pre-NetSuite warehouse management system, our stock takes days and days with a lot of stress involved. We've now moved to a world where it takes us literally a couple of hours, and with cycle counting, that's changed everything about how the floor staff are doing that process. Morale, productivity, retention. It's a happy upside of implementing NetSuite is the effect it has on your people. Since switching to NetSuite, I think our cumulative compounding growth rate, we've been able to sustain that at around the 35–40% mark, which is, I think, pretty strong for a business that's now 10+ years old.